Thrive Life has just announced a great New Year's sale, 50% off. And they have also announced for the very first time a corporate-sponsored Thrive Life event here on the East Coast. Elizabeth and I are going, and you are invited, and we would love to meet you there. Hey everybody, this is Bill, Live Simple, Live Free, Thrive Life. This sale they just announced yesterday, I didn't even know it was coming. It's a 50% off sale on 5 items, and I'll get to that in just a minute. For those of you who may be new to the channel and don't know what Thrive Life is, I'll just take a second to explain it. It's premium freeze-dried food delivered right to your door. It's got a 25-year shelf life, so it's great for long-term emergency storage, which we know is more important than ever with what's going on in the world today. It's also great for daily use, and Elizabeth and I use Thrive Life freeze-dried food in our daily cooking probably 50 or 60% of the time. Now, as you can see here, this is an unusual background for me. We are in Florida, and this is the Airbnb that we're staying in. When we came down here, we didn't bring any Thrive with us. And for the first time in 8 years, we don't have our Thrive pantry, and so we have to go to the grocery store for all of our food. And quite frankly, it's a pain in the neck. I can't believe we used to live that way, because usually we have our Thrive pantry, and we have everything that we need to cook many of our meals without having to run to the store all the time. So we're really missing our Thrive right now. Okay, anyway, so the sale. Oh yeah, let me tell you, if you're not familiar with it, we have a playlist of cooking videos, and I'll put a link right up here. And we have, 40 some videos in there demonstrating how to cook with it and how delicious it is. Now, on to the sale. It's 5 items. And all 5 items are 50% off. And these are some of the most popular items that Thrive has. The strawberry slices is actually their #1 best seller, 50% off. The mangoes, Elizabeth loves the mangoes, 50% off. Cinnamon apple slices, 50% off. Sweetened cranberries, this is one that they don't always have. It's a limited item, so it comes and goes occasionally. It's now 50% off. The instant milk, this is actually, personally as a consultant myself, this is my #2 seller. The one I sell the most of is actually hamburger, and then instant milk is my #2 seller, so it's also 50% off. Now this sale is January 16th through the 23rd, so it starts next week, and it starts at 9 a.m. Mountain Time, and it ends at midnight. That's on the 16th, and then it ends at midnight Mountain Time on the 23rd. So the prices will not show up on the website until the start of the sale on the 16th. If you are a delivery service customer, you can just go in and put these items in your delivery page now, and then schedule your delivery to happen sometime between the 16th and the 23rd, and you'll automatically get the sale prices. Just make sure, if you want that free shipping, that the sale prices, that your total order after the sale prices are applied is at least $99, and then you can get the free shipping. Now, if you are not a delivery service customer, you can still order these as a one-time order, and you'll still get the sale prices. However, you pay shipping on that. So if you want to save 12% shipping or 16% in Canada, if you join the delivery service and then order at least $99, then you'll get free shipping and save another 12%. How cool is that? So there it is. Take advantage of it. Stock up on these 5 items. Now, the corporate event, we're very excited about this. Many of you may not know, but I am actually on the consultant advisory board for Thrive Life. I have been for a number of years, and I have monthly meetings with the president and that sort of thing. And I have been pushing for years for them to have an event in the East Coast somewhere, because all of their events are always in Utah or someplace out west. So they have finally listened. There are 4 of us on the board who live here on the East Coast, and we've been pushing for it. So they have announced that they are going to be having a corporate meeting on February 3rd and 4th in Charlotte, North Carolina. Now, this is designed for anyone and everyone. If you're not a consultant or a customer, but you're curious and you want to learn about it, this is the place to be. If you're already a customer or you're already a consultant and you want to learn more about it, you want to get fired up about it, this is the place to be. And Elizabeth and I will be there, and we will be very, very happy to meet you there. I am also, as a board member, I'm going to be doing some of the training on Saturday afternoon. But here's the deal. It starts Friday evening from 7 to 9. Now, that session is designed for consultants. And then Saturday morning from 9 to noon, there's a session that's basically designed for customers. It's about the product. It's about the company. And then Saturday afternoon, once again, is designed for consultants. There'll be consultant training and business training and that sort of thing. But if you're not a consultant, you're still welcome to come to the entire thing. If you just want to learn more about Thrive, you want to learn more about what it is, you want to learn about the products, you want to learn about the business, you want to meet the president, Eric Morgan, the president of Thrive Life, will be there. You can talk to him. You can shake his hand. Now, this is not going to be a huge event like the international conventions that they have out in Utah. This is going to be a much smaller, more intimate event, so you'll have time to meet him, to meet us, to hang out with us, to learn all about Thrive. This is a free event, but you do have to register. You have to RSVP just so they know how many people are coming. And lunch on Saturday will be provided. So if you're someone who's just been thinking about Thrive, you'd like to learn more, by all means, come. If you are one of my consultants and you've never met me and I would love to meet you, by all means, come. Meet me and Elizabeth. Learn more about your business. It's open for everyone. I will be very, very happy to see you there. So I'll put a link down below to the registration page. If you're interested, then you can go there to register, to RSVP for it. The meeting will be, like I said, February 3rd and 4th, starting at 7 p.m. on the 3rd. It will be at in Charlotte at the airport in the DoubleTree Hotel, and they actually have a block of rooms set aside at the hotel. So if you call the hotel, you can get discounted rooms if you just tell them that you're going for the Thrive Life event. So I'm very excited about it. Like I said, it's the first time they've ever done anything like this on the East Coast, and I really hope I'm going to see you there. Okay, be blessed. See you next time.